If you've ever asked yourself, where does my workday really go? You're not alone. Many of us lose track of time, distracted by endless tasks and meetings, only to realize at the end of the day that we haven't made much progress. But here's the good news. You can get a clear picture of where your time is actually going, and I'm going to show you how, quickly. We've all tried some of the popular time tracking tools out there. While some are good, most just add extra clutter to our already overwhelming day. But there's a better way to see where your workday really goes. The software we'll be using today is designed to track your time effortlessly, without interrupting your flow or creating more stress. First off, set up the software. You'll install it, and in just a couple of clicks, it will automatically start recording how you're spending your time. No need to manually input each task. The software tracks everything you do on your computer, from emails to meetings to random web browsing, and categorizes it for you. You'll be amazed at how much time gets eaten up by things you didn't even realize were distractions. Once it's set up, you'll want to dive into the dashboard. This is where you'll start seeing all of the data collected throughout the day. You'll get a breakdown of your time spent on various activities, like working on a project, answering emails, or even just taking a break. You can see trends over time, which will help you understand where you can improve. Now let's talk about the most powerful feature, reporting. With a few clicks, you can see a detailed report that shows you exactly where your time is going, broken down by categories. This will help you pinpoint inefficiencies, like spending too much time on meetings or getting distracted by social media. The key here is data-driven awareness. It's not about guilt-tripping yourself, but about seeing your habits so you can make smarter choices moving forward. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. You don't need to keep track of everything all the time. The software allows you to set specific goals or create custom categories. For example, you can create a category for deep work and track how much time you're spending on it versus more shallow tasks like checking emails. This helps you focus on what really matters, making your workday feel more productive. Now, the secret sauce? Automation. This software even gives you reminders or nudges when you've spent too long on something that might not align with your priorities. It's like having a productivity coach in your corner, gently steering you back on track. Remember, the key takeaway from this video is that seeing where your workday really goes is all about awareness. Tracking your time reveals patterns that can either help you boost your productivity or help you identify distractions. Once you understand how your day is spent, you can take action and make improvements. Before you go, don't forget, I've got an exclusive free trial of this software for you. Check the link in the description below to start tracking your time for free. It's an exclusive offer just for my viewers. To recap, we covered setting up the software, diving into the dashboard to track your time, analyzing your habits through detailed reports, and using automation to improve your productivity. With this tool, you'll be able to see exactly where your workday is going and make better decisions with your time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial.